Hello. Uh, this is a little bit different of a recording. Yeah, obviously you don't see the layout or anything, so this has nothing to do with Wilting Y or Omega Ruby. This is something a little different. Got a lot of packs of cards. It's like 14, and yeah, we're gonna see what we can get. It's not exactly the best quality like other people have, but I mean, screw it, right? God, I'm gonna rip these cards. Dude, these packs are... Just all these muscles, I can't even open a fucking pack of cards. Hold on. Okay. So I'm not quite sure like how this goes. Like I know I think they open like this. Okay. So I'm gonna hold it to my chest so we can see, right? Like I know this thing doesn't count for anything, right? Okay, cool. So the cards are facing. So I think it's like the third or fourth. This is gonna be the test pack. So I'm right here. I can't see it. But what I'm gonna do, I think, right, is so I have this cards right here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, I think, and then like the best card is in the back. So we're just gonna go through it right now, see what we got. So first, got an electric energy, and we got a vanillish. We got a poltergeist. Is that a hollow? No, it's not. Sorry. Again, the quality's not going to be as good as compared to other people's. We got a soul rock. It's just because I don't have the equipment for that kind of stuff. We've got a panseer, a morlo, a wishy-washy, a Q-font. Is that a... No, it's not. It's hard to tell. A Dano, a reverse hollow Wimpod, and a Galarian Darmanitan. Yo, that's pretty dope. I mean, I think I have the same mindset as everybody else. You know, you want to try and pull that Gmax Zard or whatever. Let's try the next pack. There we go. So yeah, I think that was right. So it's 4 cards. Again. Crap. Again, I want this to be as exciting for everybody else. Okay, hold on. You can see it's still closed. I just need to open up the end a bit more. Okay, there we go. Come on. Jeez. You can tell I'm a rookie. For this thing is a series, I don't think... Oh my god, this pack is giving me such pain. I don't think this is going to be a series. It was just a little break from actual, like, lock recordings. So we'll do that. Discard this one. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Alright, and we begin with Grass Energy, Shinotic, an Ursaring, the Rose Tower, another Panseer, a Mareep, a Snubble, a Tauros, a Rookidee, a Flaffy, and a Muck. That's cool, Flaffy. Despair not, people. I had to lock the door in case my wife came in. She doesn't know I did this. I mean, it's fine. I got, like, there's this card store, in, like, the city next to where I work. And their packs, they were selling, like, packs are only, like, 10 bucks a thing. They sell them for, like, 4. So I was like, I slapped a 50 down. I was like, what can you get me? Almost made the big mistake. One, 2, 3, 4. Alright, pack number 3. Another Grass Energy. The Rose Tower. Oh, you finally decided to evolve on me, did you now? Hello, Simus here. Lairon. Sandtret. Larvesta. Moralo. Hello, Toxel. Oh, Skitty. Hello, Galarian Darumaka. And Vanillix. So, and I have the card sleeves here too in case I get something really amazing. But technically, I don't really even know what constitutes that. I mean, like I said, the aforementioned Charizard, but I don't really know what other like high value cards there are. All right, pack number 4. Goodbye. 1, 2, 3, 4. And ooh, this energy, dark type maybe. Stop collecting cards after like Gen 1. But Ursaring, the heat energy. Another Simus here. Sinisty. Feebas. I think say Nap. Good lord. Simeon. Fletchling. Wimpod. Ooh. Golett and dude! Yo! I know that's not like the G-Max one, but yo! Look at that! That's pretty fucking dope. Oh, you're going into a card sleeve, my friend. God. I'm gonna check prices after this. Granted, this is probably not worth that much. But still, yeah, I mean, that's a pretty cool card. And that was like, what, 4 packs in? You're definitely going on top. That's cool. And another reason I did this is, my daughter's getting a bit older, and I want to be able to start getting into it. You know, getting her. She's like Pokemon, right? I didn't even have to like ask her to ever watch it. I never had to say, "Oh, hey, you want to try this?" I was it was in Korea, and my wife messaged me. He's like, "Hey, Layla likes Pokemon," so that's all I needed to hear. And it'd be cool if I had something to you know, to do with her. Like, all right, so discard 1, 2, 3, 4. What is this? Oh, the grass energy. Yeah, this is gonna be a winner. The familiar bell. The struggle gloves. The clang. Paris. Bounce sweet. Snubble. Oh, hello, Melton. Bunnelby. Ooh, Corvus Squire, and yo, a Lugia. That's pretty dope. I mean, it's not shiny, not a holographic or anything, but it's a Lugia. Of course, it's gonna get its own little slot. That's cool, dude. Alright, so we're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're only 5 packs in. Like 9 to go. So I guess while I'm here I could do a little question of the day. Like I said, I don't know how often this is gonna be a thing. It was kind of like a spur of the moment. But hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you guys have ever opened any cards lately, what's the best one you've gotten? Oh, well, shit. Electric energy. I mean, so far for me, it's definitely that Charizard. That's cool. What is this? Oh, hello, Pex. The big parasol. A Shinotic. Whoops. Skitty. Dano. Jigglypuff. Dunsparce. Clink. Ooh. Larvitar. And... yo! Caparaja. That's a dope one. I think I have the... I pulled the holographic Kufan. So, you know what? You're gonna get a card slot. These are dope. Like I said, it'd be really cool to get my hands on one of those like Team Rocket packs or like the original Fossil. Those things go for thousands of dollars, and that's just like, I get it. You know, like Pokemon everything is becoming collectibles now, so all this stuff is very high value. Oh, by the way, if you're watching this, go look and see if you have any old Pokemon cards. Check the condition. You get them rated. You might be able to make some good money off of them, or save them. Either or. Discard that one. 1, 2, 3, 4. And go. God damn it, grass energy. Fluffy. Ariados. Familiar Bell. Familiar card. Carablast. Galarian Darumaka. Larvitar. Nickit. Bounce Sweet. Oh! The reverse Heatran. That's a dope card, dude. Look at that. Drexel. That's dope. Yo, I like this Heatran card though. That's dope. Alright, sorry Drake, cause Heatran's getting the sleeve now. I'll maybe find one card for all the others and deem it worthy of a sleeve. Or maybe not. I don't know. God, hold on a second. Alright, we're back. And I will make sure to add links to all the music, too. Huge shout out to GlitchX City. She's fucking amazing. I will definitely link her channel, too. She's hyping me up right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're like halfway through. So. One, 2, 3, 4. Steel energy. Steenie. Didn't I? By Brava. Paris. Another Larvitar. Golett. Another Feebas. Purloin. Hollow Cubchoo. Yo, V-Bat. That's dope, dude. That's a dope card. In you go. Cool. So. Almost made a mistake. One, 2, 3, 4. God. Energy. Corvisquire. Hiding energy. Fletchinder. Marini. Purloin. Starly. Aron. Cubchoo. Oof. Shelmet. And Mr. Rhyme. None of you deserve sleeves. Ooh, pumping up now. The Reggie theme. Pulls are about to start getting real. Get out of here, you. 1, 2, 4. Cape of Toughness. By Brava. Simisear. Wishiwashi. Kifant. Another Dano. Another Pansear. Alright, maybe I was wrong. Mareep. Oh, Parasect. Gothitelle. we got 4 packs left. So far, we got Charizard. That's probably the coolest one. I don't expect to pull like that VMAX, the Gigantamax one, or whatever they call it. Pretty cool. Get the hell out of here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I really love to be able to title this thing. I pulled it! Struggle Gloves. Clang. Dartrix. Shelmet. And Pour this time. Tediersa. Rookdy. Torchic. Ah, another shiny Flaffy. And Hollow Arctozolt. That's nice. Alright, that one's going in the slot. That one's getting a sleeve. So we've had 2 V pulls. I have 2 packs left, and one of them has Gmax Charizard on it. I'll save that one for last. Everything else has been Gmax Grimmsnarl and Eternamax Eternatus. Over there. Up here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And wha-bam! Got electric, grass, and that's it. That's all I've got. Field Horn, Laffy, Carnivine, another Panzer, Morlo, another Wishiwashi, another Q-Font, another Dano, Jesus. Ah, Reverse Hollow Arctozolt. And another Charizard V. Damn. Okay. Hold on. Alright. Said 2 packs left. And we'll save this one last. They say ages 6 and up, and I just turned 28. This is something that can be enjoyed regardless of the age, though. And oh, you know this is gonna be a good pack when it starts off with a new energy. This Poltergeist, Grimer, Link, Skitty, Fansage, Golett, Grimer, Hollow Decidueye. Alright, you can have it. Oh, GX. Dude, GX cards. Well, go. Last pack. Fuck. tell you what, if this video gets 10 likes, I will do this again. I will go to the same place. I'll buy like another $50 worth of packs, and we'll go from there. Fire. Laron. Parasect. Spikesmith. Vanillite. Trapinch. Teddiursa. Pansear. Morlo. Shiny Nickit. Oh! Blaziken. Alright. You get the sleeve. Well, there you have it, folks. 14 packs, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 14, yes. Well, now let us take a look at some of the cards that really stood out. You. So, these were just some of the ones. Hold on. Organize this a bit. So, in my opinion, some of the best bulls, in no particular order, kinda, were the Blaziken, the Decidueye, Arctozolt, Keytran, Capraja, Lugia, though it's not shiny or anything, it's not holographic, and then of course, V-Bat, and not one, but two Charizard Vs. So, I hope you have enjoyed this. I had a lot of fun with it. Like I said, I don't normally ever ask for likes, but this is something I wouldn't mind doing, but you gotta like it, so I know you enjoyed it too. So, just something simple like 10 likes. I appreciate, those who stuck through to the end. Fortunately, the elusive Max Charizard evaded us, but we'll get it next time. We can only do so with your support. So thank you for watching, and have a great night. Goodbye.